Welcome back. Hope you understand purchasing organization concept, plant specific, cross plant, cross company code, reference purchasing organization, standard purchasing organization. In this session, we are going to start a configuration for organization structure. We will do one by one. This is the organization structure we are going to follow throughout this course. Here I have one company code. Under this company code, I have one distribution center. Under this distribution center, I have two storage locations, finished goods, damaged goods. Coming to here, sales plant, instead of finished goods, you can take trading goods if you want. Coming to this plant, this is the sales. Here I have back office. Whatever the material received from the distribution center, that I am going to keep in back office. From back office, it will be moved to store whenever there is a requirement. Here we will keep the stock. If stock is exhausted here, then we will replenish the same from back office. This is for display. If you go and see any store, you will find the articles in display as well. So this is for display storage location. This is company code, this is plant, and we are going to have one purchasing organization for both the plants. We are going to use cross plant purchasing organization. If you want to create purchasing organization for plant specific, you can create for your practice. Then what you have to do, instead of creating one purchasing organization, you have to create one purchasing organization for this one purchasing organization for this one. Coming to configuration steps, here I mentioned all the steps step by step along with the T code here. Wherever possible, you will find the T codes in this nodes. These are the steps to complete the configuration. The first step is to create a company code based on this structure only. We are going to follow this company code, then we are going to create two plants, then we are going to create this storage location, then we will see purchasing organization. Go to the configuration. See, there are two types of the configurations available. One is at a client level, another one is at a company code level. Understanding organization structure, we discussed about this structure. Under this corporate group, we have two company codes, trading company and IT consulting company. If any configuration is done at a corporate group level, that is applicable for all the company codes within this group. So coming to the configuration, if any configuration is done at client level, client means, see here you will find this client. Any configuration done at client level, this is applicable for all the company codes inside this client. Let us take one example, foreign exchange rates. Whatever the foreign exchange rates you maintain at this client, that is at client level. That is applicable for all the companies within this client. Another configuration is company code specific. If you are doing any configuration for this company code, then this is applicable for this company code only. This is not going to applicable for other company codes. So hope you understand. Client level we have some settings, at company code level we have some settings. So don't get confused. Now first step is to create a company code. Go to this part, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. So during the discussion of SAP login screen, there we discussed SAP easy access for end user, but we didn't see the screen for consultant. To access the consultant screen, you have to enter a T code called SPRO. This is a standard T code. For doing any kind of a configuration, you have to enter this T code SPRO. Press enter. Inside this, you are going to find SAP reference IMG. This is made for consultant. Click on this. Here you will find all the path here. Inside this you will find many modules. See, this is FI module, this is FSCM module, this is controlling, this is investment management, this is real estate, and this is sales and distribution, material management, quality management, plant maintenance, production, project systems, HR. Since this path is made for all the modules, so whatever the path we are accessing here, let us take this financial accounting now, because this creating company code is the job of FICO consultant. In real time, we are not going to create. As an consultant, I am not worried about this company code configuration. Here, for the purpose of practicing our business scenarios, we are creating this company code. Otherwise, we are not going to do it in real time. Now go to path. First step is to copy the company code. Here you will find this enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. Here you will find company code. Edit, copy, delete, check company code. See, the path is like this. Display IMG, enterprise structure, definition. Under definition you will find financial accounting. Under financial accounting you will find edit, copy, delete, check. The same path is mentioned for your reference here. See, IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, edit, copy, check company code. If you want to access the same screen rather than going through the path, here you will find T code. This is the T code. Coming to this notes is prepared by me to help the students. What you have to do before starting the practice, you have to take the printout of these notes and keep it ready before watching the video, so that you can note down the configuration steps, whatever the variable portion. See, left side, this is the fixed portion. To the extent possible, I updated everything here. What you have to note down, only the variable portion, like company, from where we are copying to which company code. So this will help you to understand easily all the steps. It will engage you in the course. Rather than making the course material like this, if I am giving directly screenshots, you are not going to feel anything. So better you take a printout of these notes, note down configuration steps, only variable portion, because 90% of this material is already prepared. 10% portion you have to fill up this here. See, company code. Go here, go to configuration. I will show you. Click on this one, double click on this one. See, you are going to get like this. I mentioned all the steps for your reference. See, click on copy, delete, check company code. Then click on this one. I am talking about this one. Click on this one. You are getting this screen. I mentioned each and every step for your reference to make it easy for you to practice. Now next, click on copy organization object. See, here you will find, put the cursor on this one, copy organization object. Click on this one. Here, from company code to company code, you are going to find the fixed portion here, from company code to company code. What you have to note down, whatever the variable portion I am entering here, you have to note down this one. Here I am going to use this one. Here to company code. So the company code names, everything I gave here.